What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, about to take you guys on the nighttime POV in the 2023 GR Corolla. So I would have caught the tail end of the daylight, but messing with this GoPro, man. I personally don't like GoPros, but man, it's so convenient to edit these videos and to just shoot the POV because my camera is huge. I can't put that huge camera on my face. So I got the GoPro and I had to mess around with this little contraption I got on my face. Kind of messed up, but I got it fixed. So we're about to take off here in just a second here. But first of all, going to buckle up for safety. And before you leave this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. All right, so let's crank it on up. E-brake off. I'm at the gas station, ironically, and I need gas, but not for these prices. I'm trying to make it to Costco, or at least to my gas station where it's cheap. I'm that guy. So we're gonna drive it in 30/70 mode, and I'm gonna put it in sport. I have been driving in custom mode, which is basically the same as sport, minus the throttle response. The throttle response to me is the same in pretty much every mode in the GR Corolla. I haven't noticed the difference between sport, custom, or eco. Surprisingly, maybe it's when you get more on the power, but I don't know, it all feels the same to me. So custom, sport, it all do the same thing. We're about to jump on the highway real quick on the way to get some food. And let me turn the light off. Got some new construction out here, so it's kind of hard to navigate through this. I just rolled through here like a week ago, and they tore the whole half of the highway up going westbound. So now I got to see how to navigate through this. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. All right, so this is about to be a boring little stretch right here. I'll get back to y'all once we get to the exciting part. All right, nighttime traffic. People don't know which way they're going. But it's all good because I don't know which way I'm going. I know where I'm going, but I don't know what the roads are doing here because this is like popped up overnight. Oh, dang, they got this down to one lane. 2 lanes. They chose the fast lane to go slow, and I can't get around them. Oh. That were race car friends, he would have got through. He would have shot that gap if he had somebody following him. Oh my goodness, why? All right, I'm gonna let them go. I already know they about to be hanky-pankying around. I need that speed. Slow, go slow. And then we go bye-bye. Man. No slouch. Man, it's so fun to go through the gears on here. Shout out to my guy Rob. He showed me this little area I'm about to go to. Great for the area that I'm in, because it's so hard to find like a twisty area. It's hard to come across. So I've been doing some scouting. I found some other good places, but I'll get y'all there in the daylight because, man, there's a bunch of water. I do not want to be handling those curves and lakes and stuff around at nighttime. Modify the sound on here because as exciting as this is to drive, like, it doesn't make all of the best noises. The cold air intake made the right noises, but it also made the wrong display of lights, meaning my check engine light. No shout outs for that. I'm thinking about the exhaust. I'm talking to a company, but I'm not sure I like the way their exhaust sounds on this vehicle in particular, so that's something I'm looking into, or maybe I should just leave it stock. I do like the stock deep tone. And after driving, oh crap, did I turn my own bright lights? Oh, it's got automatic bright lights on here. I was about to say, when I flick that, but it does it automatically when it senses total darkness, which it can do, and it actually comes on at convenient times. So like now, and watch it turn off as soon as it sees that car up there. A very intelligent system, not blinding my fellow road mates. That to turn back on though, because I can't see. Thank you. These roads are jacked up back here, dang. So man, after driving all of these cars, I realized the GR Corolla don't have as much or as good a steering feel as I thought it did. So I'm just coming out of a Mazda SUV, and that thing got some great steering. And shout out to the person that commented, they've been benchmarking Lotus, so that's how they're able to get the steering so good. But man, this GR Corolla is still on the light side. Like I said it before, but it's much more evident now after driving them back to back. Blowoff noise is going on. This much traffic back here at nighttime. It's like an industrial area. What y'all doing back here? This car is just fun to drive, slow or fast. It is less fun to drive slow, not gonna lie about that, because you gotta ring it out to get to the power band. That doesn't get old. Watch my gas dwindle down to nothing. Gas right there, but it's expensive. Still gonna hold off. Got 14 miles of empty. We can do better. I know where my gas station is. It's not a Costco, but their prices are good too. So that's where we're gonna go. Blowoff noise don't get old though. I wish that was more pronounced. And I can get a modified blow-off valve, but I want the performance to match. I don't want to just be making noise without the added performance for that. Especially for the price. Got the police in the dark. I hold. Power band, man. I like the way this is geared. Everyday driving, got it revved up to about 4,000 and up to about 5,500 it pulls really hard. So the slim power band, but it's so good while you're in it, and it just makes you want to get more into it just by just revving it out. I really enjoy that aspect of this car. The GR Corolla is kind of going to remind me of the Civic Type R with the suspension setup. It's not going to be that harsh though. Like, this is a better suspension than the Civic Type R. It's a one suspension fits all. It doesn't have a comfort mode and track mode. It's just one suspension, like no adaptive dampers. And it's on the firm side, but it's not as harsh as the Civic Type R. On pristine roads, you won't notice it on the Civic Type R or this, but from where I'm at, like where I'm driving at, like the roads aren't the greatest, so you'll definitely feel it. So if that's something that you do not like, then it's okay to deal with in this car, to be honest. It's not horrible, like I've seen worse. But just so you know, it is firm. This is a purpose-built car, a rally car. This ain't no plush ride. Alright, there we go. Gas getting cheaper by like 20-something cents. Still ain't where I need to be. I'm gonna chance it. 11 miles empty. I'm gonna make it there. I know my car. And taking off from a standstill. Let's try close to a standstill. 3,000 RPM. Dang. It's like nothing till you get up to 4,000 RPM. Like, it's kind of underwhelming at first, but then once you get in the powertrain, it's like Jekyll and Hyde right there. It just go. So yeah, that's gonna sum up this little quick drive. I done took my hat off, forgot what I was doing. I done got to my food, got excited. I done took the POV off. So hopefully y'all enjoy, like I'm about to enjoy this delicious falafel. And y'all take care, be safe. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.